Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Juan Gallego. I'm a sales executive of Cooperativa La Palma Cooperative, grower located in the south of Spain with a surface of greenhouses of 850 hectares, leaders of growing premium varieties of mini vegetables. Let me explain now the sustainability project of Cooperativa La Palma towards 2030. Together towards a better world. How do we do it? We fulfill with the Paris Agreement from field to fork, and of course the United Nations Sustainable Development. The way to achieve it is a live circuit that we divided in 3 blocks. The first one is the agriculture, which are our farmers. So they are committed with the environment, of course professional and disciplined. The second one is the facilities, which they are our employees, that they are committed with the cooperative. And the last one is the customers. We, La Palma, we are committed with the final customers. And depending of the requirements of the final customers, we develop the agricultural work or the facilities block, depending to the requirement of our customers. Regarding the agriculture block, it is at the same time subdivided in 4 main topics, which is the zero residue project, the water, the greenhouse, and the social responsibility cooperative. Let me explain briefly one of these 2 main 4 points. With the zero residues project, we guarantee the food safety. First of all, regarding the integrated pest control, 100% of our farmers, they use bumblebees for the pollination and good insects that they eat the bad insects. For example, in the video is shown how the Nesidiocores eat the egg of the bad insect, which is the tuta. And in order to provide the ecodiversity system required by those good insects, we support them with auxiliary vegetation, such as rosemary or lavender, so then they live happy in our crops. With our own laboratory, we control and check that everything works smoothly. It is divided in 4 blocks. First one, food safety. Second, microbiological and phytopathological analysis. Third, physical and chemicals. And last but not least, pesticides and contaminants. We also have partnership with several companies that they certify us that we are able to do, for example, the global gap to sell all around Europe. And the main one, in the case of Certis, they certify us for the Zero Residues project. And the last part of the Zero Residues project is the organization of fruit and vegetables products, which is our own department called OPFH, where we achieve the European funds and subsidies, and with that money we innovate and have better greenhouses every year. We achieve 9.8 million euros every year, which they are all invest in our greenhouses in order to achieve, once again, sustainable and healthy products, and last but not least, fresh products respectful with the environment. Due to our geographical location, we have the main natural resource required, which is the water. All of our crops, they use 100% of the water from the Sierra Nevada mountains. We've got amazing quality water all year round. We water the crops through our irrigation systems only with the necessary water that they require. And then what we achieve with that? We reduce the water footprint. And how do we do it? With smart agriculture that is implemented in the greenhouses of all our farmers, where we control the water, even the integrated pest control, as mentioned before, the weather everything, but in that case, we achieve with minimum volume of water the best taste for our products, because the less water you use in the crops, the better taste you achieve in the final product, which is our aim for the final customer. Regarding the block of the greenhouse, once again, we have the advantage of the geographical location. We have the natural resource of the sun and an average around 310 sunny days per year. So our greenhouses are solar greenhouses, and we optimize this natural resource for the crops. That's why we do not need artificial illumination as an example. Moreover, we still optimize that natural resource of the sun with solar panels, and then we convert it into energy for our crops, the energy that the crops they need. So normally in winter, we only need to use the biomass heaters for 50 days per year, but not during the day, only at night time. And last but not least, we do 100% of waste management. All the waste from the greenhouses is divided in organic recycle and plastic recycle. And 100% of the waste, it comes back again to the market. As a cooperative social responsibility, we take care of our growers, our partners. In total, 470 families that they are the owners of that cooperative. So in different meetings per year, we agreed till 2019 physically, nowadays due to the COVID, digital. But we propose and they vote, and according to the majority, they decide yes or no according to our proposals. One farmer is a vote. So as a result, what we achieve is the rural areas, we maintain an economy in our rural area with the children of tomorrow, which are the sons of the farmers that we train by courses once per year. And in order to do it properly, agronomists, we support them with our engineers. Agronomist engineer that they teach them in a daily basis how to be more and more efficient. Regarding the centers, we have several centers used as handling and manufacturing centers, plus other ones that we use as intakes for the farmers that they deliver their products to us. As the farmers, they have different geographical locations. We have a project that we will accomplish 100% of solar panels in the roof of the main center of La Palma. As mentioned before, we have the sun as a human resource in our geographical location. So we use it in order to reduce the CO2 carbon footprint. At the same time, we consider a better efficiency implementing LED lights, because then we need even less energy for our illumination. And last but not least, we have efficient equipment that every time they need or require less energy, because we are constant innovation, investing money on that. And at the same time, we measure the bricks of our tomatoes. The bricks shows the sugar level through infrared. That means that we do not need to open the tomato to check the bricks level that our customer needs. As a cooperative social responsibility, first of all, we encourage the local economy, the rural economy in our case, as mentioned before. Moreover, regarding our employees, we train them, first of all, for their own safety, plus the safety of the company. Moreover, we train some specific positions through courses like masters, different kind of trainings, courses, and as a cooperative social activities, we sponsor different kind of sport activities like running or cultural activities like chess, photography, and others. And last but not least, we offer collective transportation from our workers through the different locations that the majority of our workers live. Through that, once again, we reduce the carbon footprint. And now, after finishing the first block, which was agriculture, and the second block, which was facilities, we started with the final block, which is markets. And that block is divided in 3 points: products, packaging, cooperative social responsibility. Once again, let me explain smoothly one by one. Regarding the products, our aim is to achieve the best quality and the best flavor. Regarding the quality, we do test in our warehouse, but the question of how to achieve that amazing flavor is developing trials in our research and development greenhouse, where we grow 500 varieties per year, and then we select some of those varieties to grow for our customers. And those products, we introduce them in the shows that we attend per year, plus many extra meetings, journeys that we organize to visit the location of our customers. Regarding the packaging, we are committed for the recycling and the reuse. So first of all, we reduce the grammage of plastic or cartoon or any other material use. The next one is the logistics. Every year we need to keep investigating how to avoid loading air. The more kilos we load in the same volume, the better, in order to reduce carbon footprint. Plastic reduction. As mentioned before, we reduce the grammage. The plastic, the main goal. Every year we reduce a percentage of plastic used according to the previous year. And last but not least, a new trends. Many supermarkets, many shops, they are already selling more and more in loose. So using that format of selling for the final customer, we deduct, once again, plastic, grammage, as mentioned before. As a cooperative social responsibility, we take care in order to achieve a healthy life and the new trends of the generations, which is a healthy diet, healthy way of living, and last but not least, an experience, as mentioned before, the taste to the final consumer. We need to achieve the optimum taste in order to catch the attention of the final consumer, so that he will love our product because it will be an experience for them. This is our goal. This is our job. That is Granada La Palma. So finally, Sustainability Project 2020-2030, Granada La Palma, divided in 3 blocks: agriculture, first one; facilities, the second one; and consumers, the third one. What do we achieve? 5% water reduction per year for the water footprint, and 8% carbon footprint reduction per year in the production of our greenhouses. Those are the numbers that we consider a good achievement, a good goal. And that was all. Thank you very much once again, ladies and gentlemen. That was the Sustainability Project of Granada La Palma.